Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with the new chapter Houses All Around. Students, you must have seen different types of houses around you. The houses at hill stations are different than the houses at plain areas. Now, why do you think that these houses are different from each other? Students, there are three main factors which decides the type of house we build. And these factors are climate of the place, materials used, and budget available. Budget available means that how much money in hand you are having. So let us firstly discuss about the first factor, that is climate of the place. That whether that particular place is situated in hot climatic area, there is a lot of rainfall, or the place is very cold. Now in hot climatic area, the houses have thick walls and flat roofs. Thick walls and flat roofs helps to keep inside of the house cool. And if a lot of hot is there, or if the climate is very hot, then the people need to sleep outdoor, then the flat roofs allow them to do so also. So that's why the houses in the hot climatic area have thick walls and flat roofs. Then in the rainy climatic areas, where a lot of rainfall is there, the houses are built on stilts, few feet above the ground. Why few feet above the ground? To remain safe from floods. Due to heavy rainfall, floods are very prone in these areas. That's why the houses are situated few feet above the ground. Then the third thing is they have sloping roofs. Now why they have sloping roofs? Not to allow rainwater to collect. These types of houses are there in like Assam, Meghalaya, where a lot of rain is there. Then in the cold climatic regions, the houses have sloping roofs. Again, not allowed to collect snow on their roofs. And they have fireplace inside. Why? Because to keep the house warm. These types of houses are built in Jammu Kashmir, Srinagar type of areas where the temperature is very low. So students, this was the discussion on the first factor which decides the type of house, that is climate. Now let us discuss about building materials. Now use of building material to build house also depends on climatic conditions. For example, bricks and stones. If you are using bricks and stones to build your house. Now when bricks or stones are used, these keep house cool, so used in hot climatic areas. Then bamboo and wood. Now bamboo and wood being light, they are easy to assemble. So these materials are used to build houses in hilly areas and the areas where earthquakes are frequent, as these materials causes less damage. Then ice is also used as a building material, where in the snowy areas where other materials are not easily available. You must have done in the lower classes that the houses built up of ice are known as igloos. Materials like mud, bamboo, and palm leaves are used to make kacha houses, which we known as huts. These are cheap materials also, means they are not costly. Houses made up of concrete, glass, iron, cement, etc. are called pakka houses. Pakka houses are relatively costly than the kacha houses. So students, this finishes with the today's lecture. Go through the video properly. Have a nice day. Stay safe.